everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we will be practicing one more very easy 3D model with the help of Solidworks. So let's begin, and if you think my videos are useful to your learning journey, then you may check out the other videos as well. So without wasting the time, So before starting the SolidWorks, we have to understand a little bit about the 2D diagram. Here first, from the top view, I will be making the circular object and the object diameter is 60. So let's see how to do it. To begin with, click on File, then click on Part Design and then click on OK. And as always I said, choose the plane of your choice and enter the 2D environment. To click on the circular 3D object, first we have to click on the circle from the 2D sketch and then snap into the origin and then provide the diameter as 60, and then we will be exiting from the 2D environment and we will be giving the height that is 40 mm. And make sure your sketch has to be constrained. Now the circular object is completed. Now we have to move into the next portion. So let's see how to do that. Before that, we will be again understanding the 2D. Now we have to draw this middle portion, but the middle portion is situated below 25 mm from the top face. That means we have to create a offsetted plane from the top face, and the distance from the top face till that newly created plane will be 25. So to create the offset plane, you need to click on the reference. After that, click on the plane and then provide the offset distance. In my case, it is 25 mm. Provide that value. Now select this newly created offsetted plane and then go to sketch. First, I will be converting the top face so that I will be getting this 60 diameter circle. So without drawing the circle, if we use the convert entity, then we will be getting the same result. Next, we have to draw the other side circle, and we should give the proper dimension as well as the relation between the two circles. After providing the relationship between the two circles as well as the diameter of the smaller circle, now we need to provide the distance between the two centers. In my case, it is 120 as per the 2D diagram. Now see, after providing the distance, it is become constrained. Both the circle become constrained. Now we have to draw a line which has to be tangent with both the circle. Now you need to make this line and circle tangent. For that, you have to provide the relationship. For that, first you have to select the line and then press Ctrl and select the circle, and then specify the relation as a tangent, and repeat the same process for the rest of this side, and then trim off the excess line. Now see, my close boundary is created, and now we will be exit from the 2D sketch and we will use the extrude command to provide the thickness of the middle portion. Provide the thickness as a 6 mm and make sure you have provided proper direction. In my case, it is downwards. So it will be depending on how you generated the offsetted plane. Hope this much I am able to make you understand. So next we will be doing this front portion. So here see, again we will be choosing the top view and then we will be extruding it till 28 mm. So let's see how to do it. Now we have to create a offsetted plane 6 mm below from the top face. Now select the plane and go to sketch. Now we will be drawing this front portion. First I will be converting the top circle into the sketch by using convert entity. Next, with the help of midline extension, I'll be drawing one more line. Okay, and then I'll be specifying the distance from this line till the origin. Here the origin, from the origin to the line, the distance will be 30 plus 8, that is totally 38, and the length of the symmetrical line will be 28. Now again we have to draw two more lines which has to be tangent with the circle, and the line will be begin from the end point of the lines, and then the line will be tangent with this circle. So we again, I already told you how to do the tangent, so you need to repeat the same process. Select the line, press Ctrl and select the circular object, then specify the relationship which is tangent. After trimming, we will be getting the closed entities, and then we can exit from the 2D sketch, and then we will be extruding with the help of Extruded Boss. And I'll be trimming all the excess line, and then I'll be exiting from the 2D sketch. Now we will be drawing all the drill hole, and this is very easy. So we will be using the option as Extrude Cut, and we will remove all the materials. Okay. So again we need to do the other side extrusion and then extrude cut, and for that we will be using the option as contour. So before jump into that, I have one request to you. If you think my tutorials are useful for your learning journey, please do subscribe. And if you want to learn how to do extrude and how to use contour to options, then I have already uploaded videos, specific videos on that. You may check out that videos. So I believe that will be helpful for you. Now I am drawing the inside circle and as well as outside circle together, and see here I will be using the contour tool inside the Extruded Boss, and that will be helpful for me because inside the shape is like a donut shape. So using the contour option I can easily extrude this portion, or else I could have done it separately. So I'm not doing that. I'm using the contour option and I'm extruding it. Now again select the inside portion and go to sketch and then convert it the inside circle, and just use the, by using the extrude cut you remove the excess material. Now we have to create this rib, and those who are absolute beginners, for them it will be really difficult because the rib is a square or a flat surface, and the rib has been started from a circular body. So then in this case it will be a really problem. Every time when you will extrude this rib, there will be a possibility to have a excess material on the top of the circular surface. To solve this problem, I'll be starting the rib on the middle object, okay, on the top view of the middle object, not from the front view. I'll not draw a triangle and then extrude it. I will not do it. So let's see how to do. See, here I am selected the middle face and then I am drawing a rectangle, and the width of the rectangle will be 6 mm. Make sure the length of the rectangle will touch both the circular object, and while providing the dimension you need to give the dimension from the origin to the one side. That is, if the total dimension is 6 mm, then the half will be 3 mm, and then again select the origin and then click on the right hand side and provide the diameter as a, provide the dimension as a 3 mm. Now we have to extrude it, and the extrusion height I have not mentioned anything because it is not required, but make sure it is more than this circular object. That's all. Now select this newly created square object, select the front face and go to sketch. Now create or draw a inclined line which has to start from the quadrant of the bigger circle and quadrant of the smaller circle. Then joint it accordingly, so that we can remove the excess material and we will be getting a perfect rib for this model. See, there is no excess material on the bigger circle as well as the smaller circle. That's how if you do the rib on a circular object, you will be getting a perfect rib. And once again, one more request from my side. If you think this tutorial is helpful for your learning journey, please do like, subscribe and share with your other learner friend. So Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video very soon. And don't forget to watch my other videos as well. I've already uploaded many tutorial videos. You may check it out.